They got that boy again. He made $100 deposit bet again. 50 more dollars that he about to spend.
Before we get on the road, I am gonna get some snacks real quick. Y'all let me know if y'all got a Wawa. Cause I know in different states, everywhere doesn't have a Wawa. So comment down below what gas station you guys have near y'all. I don't know who that is coming up.
Yeah.
Chat. Damn. I don't know what to get. You know I love that Dr. Pepper. Oh shit. Do y'all see your name on any of these bottles? Trying to get some candy, y'all. Till we make our first little stop. 2 for the $5. Y'all know I love deals. I ain't gonna do it. Alright, what y'all think? W snacks? Hurry up and get out of here. I'm trying to hit the road.
Welcome to Wawa. Please scan your Wawa.
Hey man, if you guys haven't already, man, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel at GlobalrellTV. We just hit 500 subscribers, man. We got a 9-hour drive, man. I forgot to tell you guys. So far, we got a Sun-Kissed berry lemonade. You can't go wrong. And we got the big bag of Skittles. You gotta go wild berry. What is that? SRT Durango? Oh, that might be a cat. And of course, guys, we ran into the morning traffic. Like I said, it's about to be 8 o'clock, so people are about to take their kids to school. People are going to work. So hopefully, traffic clears up. I'm gonna give you guys a few more driving time for right now, and then I'll cut the camera off because I'm not gonna record the whole 9 hours, of course, but I'll pick the camera back up whenever I get a decent amount of driving in. And hopefully this traffic will be gone by then. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you guys when I pick the camera back up. All right, guys, I just cut the camera back on. We are still a long way to go. I'm not gonna lie to you, but just want to give you guys an update. We are 7 hours and 50 minutes away from our designated location, man. It is 9:47 a.m. And yeah, we're gonna try to find that Buc-ee's gas station now. I want to see what that thing looks like, so I'm gonna search it up in a minute, because I think we're maybe like an hour away from Orlando. So Lake Boulevard, 4 miles, Jacksonville, 156 miles. Now we do have some company up here. I think this is the reason why slowed traffic down, is because the police is right here. And we're gonna pass them nice and smooth. Don't need no problems.
Stay cool, yeah, on some calm shit. Stay cool, yeah, on some calm shit. Stay cool, yeah.
Just flow with the traffic, guys. Flow with the traffic.
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Oh, let me get right, like Troy, not that now. Scat pack in the shop right now, right there, cause I spent it. Hey man, let me guys know what music you guys listen to. I was just listening to that Big Boogie.
Maybach with the focus on it. Bitch, you see me in it. Scat pack in the shop right now. I ripped it cause I spent it.
That song right there, that's that shit, man. Comment down below some artists that you guys listen to. Y'all might be able to put me on some new music. I'm really about to play some tunes for y'all, man. Do not text and drive, and do not be on your phone while driving. I'm gonna play some of my friend's songs. His name is Young Didi. You guys look him up on SoundCloud, YouTube. Young Didi, find a way.
Only time they hit me up is when they need some. The way she drive the Benz, you think that bitch will need some. How he start from zero and he already up.
Really tryna get it by the time.
These niggas be pussy with it for real. I got some niggas who ready to kill. Double O baby, this shit is for real. 2 months later, already got spilled. Living for L to they down and live. Protected by God, don't need no shield. Every day I want some peace, but
Every day I'm down to kill, y'all. It's crazy.
I'm shopping at the place
I used to steal from.
crazy. How people call my phone, I used to hear from.
It made me.
The motherfucking streets and the G code, they break it. Every chance to get these niggas gon' fold.
Hey, I fought with that song heavy, bro. What else should I play for y'all? We gonna play 93 Supreme for my dog Honcho. I'm gonna put their names in the description down below. And y'all turn my dogs up, man.
You regular little bitch, I'm gambling, let me put Supreme. The nigga was pushing people before it was a thing. Gon' get up in about my back and stand on everything.
Ain't never bust about no bitch, I'ma let her in.
That nigga, I been through some shit, but I ain't gon' let it faze me. Boss nigga, we be state to state to check, we always chasing. I'm speeding down the interstate, ain't got no time to waste. Show hit the lights, we got a scale on those, I'm what we facing.
Hold on, what else we got? Hold on. I wish my cousin didn't stop making music, man, cause it was so hard, man. I'ma try my hardest to make him start making music again, bro, cause he really has some hits. Let me play this for y'all. I'm talking too much. Let's go.
I guess the OGs ain't no OGs no more. Feel like that roller ain't no roller no more. Sometimes to put me through it, feel like
My mama don't even know me no more. Fuck it, my dog don't even know me no more.
he just ain't trying to work. Jump in the streets and find a church. We stepping on the same person.
They're not the same hers. Y'all this so Jesus ain't trying to work. Grinding to the first.
Keep on rolling up. Touchdown in the city, them babies growing up. Show love, but they ain't showing up. They ain't pointing me to the back end. God know I'm waiting on them. Stay posted like some crack shit. How that real one.
Show me you solid, not just real. Man, I go song for song all day, man. My dog's got some hits, man. Like on some chilling shit, like you just chilling, you can lean back, put your seat back, you feel me? Oh, they put a seat back for that one, you feel me? And not just, you feel me, how I do that right there. No hands on the bitch, I swear.
For baby Scotty, bang the glove.
Pop a nigga top,
Ain't no conversation, fuck nigga.
I wanna talk. Damn, I'm tweaking on that bitch, run that back. Hold on. Like I said, man, hold on. Do that again, you feel me? Just chilling on some shit that ain't far enough. That bitch need to go all the way back. Like, yeah, that bitch, yeah, all the way back on some shit. I just be talking to a little shorty like that. Feel me? Damn, baby, you look good and shit, you feel me? On some shit, feel me?
Baby Scotty, bang the glove. Pop a nigga top. Ain't no conversation, fuck nigga.
I don't wanna talk,
We gon' black that be my name,
but they call me double four.
She wasn't tryna fuck, I had to tell her, baby, so no. We ain't talk about no money.
Ain't no need to prolong.
We ain't about to fuck, little baby, get ready to hit the road.
I love that song too, though. Oh, my dog calling.
God sat me down and talked to me.
Yo,
Yo, you on the road, my boy?
you know I'm on the road. Hell yeah, man, I'm just cruising on this shit right now.
Oh yeah, Orlando?
Shit, no. I left the house at like 7:45.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck? That bitch said I'm in Mims. What the hell is that? Mims, M-I-M-S. I just checked my location. That bitch say Mims. I switched to the phone real quick just to give you guys a quick update. There's a place I always want to visit, and I think it's like one of the biggest gas stations. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's called Buc-ee's. So I just searched it up. The nearest one is in Daytona, Florida. And guys, I just searched it up on my other phone. I think we're less than 30 minutes. Yep, we're less than 30 minutes away. So we're gonna pull up to Buc-ee's, and I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. And I'll cut the camera back on when we get there. We are literally 5 minutes away from Buc-ee's, man. This is gonna be my first time seeing this gas station, man. I always wanted to see it, and now we're here.
265.
Oh snap, where we at? I feel like I've been here before, this outlet right here. Dang, don't make me. Hey, I might have to take a little detour.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Boulevard.
Real, we in Daytona. He would get in front of me though, you feel me? Buc-ee's, damn, that been big as hell.
Boulevard.
That bitch so big, I thought that bitch was a Walmart. God damn, this bitch swinging like a trout. That's not free. Alright, man. Let's go put some gas in this shit. Yo. Bitch, I just got the Buc-ee's, bitch. Yeah, I'm in Daytona. Damn, look at this swinging. This shit crazy. Damn, they got sauces. Damn. God damn. Oh shit. God damn. God damn. This bitch swing. Damn, they got so much stuff in here, bro. This shit is crazy. This bitch hard. I rock this bitch. I forgot I'm vlogging. It's hard. They got the drip. Some designer for y'all boys, man. Y'all comment down below. I'll get y'all a pair. How much they running? Oh, hell no. We ain't doing that. Get y'all some chocolates. Gucci. For the 14? Shit ain't bad. Oh yeah, no doubt. I do need some new slides. I do need some new slides. Put them down right now. Oh, I rock these though. Yeah, I rock these for sure. Let's see what that shit talking about over there. Shit. Steve. Y'all fucking with it? Nah, this place is lit, I ain't gonna lie. Big sips. Got lucky I'm driving, bitch. I took one of these to the head.
Julian.
My GoPro died on me, so I'm using the phone now. Damn, the gas station big as hell. But we did get some eats for the road, man. Hopefully they do me right. Let's go to the car right now, man. We finna put a little bit of gas in there. And we finna head back on the road, man. Wow, I'm trying to put it down. It's been not bad. But a piano? I don't think so. That's what it's looking like, chat. I'm finna eat. Then finish getting this gas. And I'll pick up the camera when I hit the road. As you guys see, we just filled up at the gas station. We currently have 1 hour and 12 minutes left until we get to the destination, man. Until we hit Greenville, South Carolina. Alright guys, we made it to our location, man. We are in Greenville, South Carolina. As you guys can see, about to fill up one more time so I don't have to do it tomorrow. Regular down here is $2.69, so it's way better than Florida. Chevy looking nice over there. No cap. It's a little too country out here for me, man.
What did you say?
Texas is dumb.
Look like my ass in a fucking old school movie.
Coming out of boy, don't make it too far. Just a little nigga from the trenches. Fell in love with this extension. Had to love him from a distance. Nigga playing, he gon' get the business.
They don't